Hi guys, welcome back to new videos. I'm Emily. I'm a flight attendant based in Dallas and I'm also a health coach. I'm here to share all of my health and wellness tips that have changed my life and hopefully can change yours. I'm position 2, which I set up the galley in the back for service. It's my all-time favorite position. I didn't feel like meal prepping on this trip, but I want to have healthy options, so I'm going to show you what I got. These are some blueberry chia puddings. So good. It has like a blueberry compote on the bottom and some walnuts on top. Truly the best chia pudding I've ever had, and it's low sugar, it's very healthy, sweetened with a little bit of maple, a ginger shot because it's just that time of year. My favorite truffles, they're called skinny truffles because they're thin, but some pink hummus that I have left over, made pink by Beets. 3-bean salad. Beans are really good. They're full of fiber and protein. It's a good little snack that I'm gonna serve with my black seed crackers. These are so yummy. And then I've got some blueberries, organic blueberries to snack on, and then some coconut yogurt. It's my favorite, Coco June. I keep them in this just because they stay fresh longer. And then I also have a sweet green bowl with some tofu, some sweet potato, and I made my own dressing right here. It's like a date, apple cider vinegar, olive oil dressing. I'm gonna get this packed up and then get to the airport. I don't wanna be late. It's already 5:31. I need to leave in like 10 minutes. I hope you guys are doing well. Sorry the lighting is off, but I will see you at the airport. Okay guys, I just got on. This is the Airbus A321. Here is my jump seat that I sit in for takeoff and landing. And here are our 3 extras in case flight attendants need to jump seat when they're flying standby. I'm about to drink my ginger tea that I brought. I put 2 ginger tea bags and then some honey and fresh ginger. This is really good for nausea and digestion. I tend to get a little upset stomach on later flights, so I brought this. I'm gonna have the raw chocolate, and then who am I eating beef when I was vegan? Grass-fed and grass-finished chunk stick for some protein. Let's go. So my favorite brand ever, Beekeeper's Naturals nasal spray. This is so good to clear up your nose in the morning if you're feeling stopped up. Your vitamin C to keep your immune system strong. And then the immune support. So good. I'm currently in LA. I have a 22-hour layover. We just landed about an hour ago. I picked up my rental car at Midway Car Rental. I paid $26 for this rental. That is less than 1 Uber to where I would want to go, just one way. I'm currently in Brentwood. It's such a cute area in LA. I've never been. I'm about to go to a place called Parakeet Cafe. Never been, but it's like locally sourced organic food, seed oil free, refined sugar free. It's actually a chain here in Southern California, but I'm very excited. Parakeet Cafe is 9 minutes away from my favorite Santa Monica Erewhon location. And if you don't know, Erewhon is just like a really cool grocery store. It's overpriced on a lot of things, but for the hot bar, I feel like it's a really good price because it's organic and you're in California, so everything's expensive. I see investing in my food as investing in my health currently and in the future, so hopefully it'll be less hospital bills. You never know, it's the goal. I got my favorite matcha latte, half raw almond, half raw coconut. I went in Erewhon in my uniform, and every time I do that, people look at you like you're a zoo animal. It's so funny. I guess they don't see a lot of flight attendants. I don't know, but one guy was like, "Are you a pilot?" I'm like, I need to be a pilot if I'm shopping in Erewhon. Like, I need that kind of money. But yeah, let's go get some food. I've had too much matcha. Matcha does not raise your cortisol levels like coffee does, but it's never a good idea to have too many in the day. The flight over was really good. It was a 3-hour flight from Dallas, and my crew's really nice. Super simple. Everyone was so chill, so kind. And yesterday, Thanksgiving Day, y'all, I was feeling so down. I don't know. I was so depressed and so exhausted physically and mentally and just strained. Thank God for good sleep. I've noticed a difference when I go to bed earlier than like before midnight and after midnight. When I wake up, I feel like a new person. everything is not what it seems on social media. We all post the highlight reels. That's what it is. So never compare your life. Yes, I'm so blessed. Yes, I get to travel. Yes, my life is very exciting in a lot of ways, but I'm still a human, very, very sensitive human. And I feel things very deeply. If you relate, comment, let me know. So I just get overwhelmed and overstimulated and drained because I'm like the therapy go-to person for a lot of people, and I'm happy to be that and encourage people, but it does get really heavy. I hope you guys are doing really well. Let's go get some food. Okay, my loves. Oh, there's something on my camera. 1 second. I've never been to Brentwood area before, and it was so cute. I went to Parakeet Cafe, and I got a burger with no aioli and no bun because I don't eat gluten, and I don't eat eggs because they break me out. Let's see. Oh, I forgot to ask for no cheese. This looks incredible, but I completely forgot to ask for no cheese. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna try to scrape it off, but this looks so good. House-made pickles, caramelized onions, yum, grass-fed meat from Australia. I just checked into the hotel. I'm gonna share with you what I got. We're gonna do like a little food haul. I know I never have like clothing hauls or anything like that. We can see where my passion lies within healthy food. But I got some really, really good stuff, so let me share. I went in Creation Juice. I got their aloe vera water. It's literally just aloe and water. Aloe vera is deeply hydrating. It heals your gut, and it also is really good for my bladder condition, interstitial cystitis. It really calms your bladder down. So it's a win-win. Let's get into the food. I got dinner at Airline. Surprise, surprise. We've got steak with chimichurri, grass-fed, grass-finished, of course. Some purple sweet potato. They're really high in antioxidants. And then some green beans with almonds. A beet salad. Beets are so good for your heart, for your blood flow, and they're just super nutritious. I got my favorite vegan gluten-free bread. Look at those ingredients. Honey. Looking good. And then a green juice. It's literally just greens with no fruit and ginger. Got a water. Oh my gosh, so I went to a place called xoxo, and I've been wanting to try organic orange food for probably like a year now. And I finally got to try his stuff. He has some stuff at xoxo, and I'm so tickled. Organic orange, charred carrots with thyme. Oh my. Then we've got some Country Club tuna salad. I actually need to get this in the fridge. Sugar-free, seed, oil-free, nut-free. And it is, I'm not looking forward to this. And it's made with water, lemon, ginger, garlic, oregano oil, Himalayan salt. It's like a natural antibiotic. This is a glass bottle. Love, love, love that. I'm gonna save that after I eat. I went in Credo Beauty and I got some Kosas lip liner. I already took it out. I got the shade Infinite Warm. It's like a pinky brown. So it says warm pea brown. It's not focusing. And then I also got, they were 20% off Black Friday, RMS Beauty lip liner, veggie pad thai. Yummy with some tofu and rice noodles with a lime chili dressing. Oh, orange. Okay. And then his carrot ginger soup. Yum. Dang, this looks fire. And I love, it's a glass bottle. And this is not plastic on the bottom. You gotta love it. Look at this, dark chocolate covered dates filled with pistachio butter. Lord have mercy. I can't even believe it. Refined sugar-free, organic, gluten-free, vegan. Yummy. That's gonna be dessert, honey. Oh my Lord. This looks good. I'm so excited. Then the rest of the Erewhon stuff, let me get it. Moving on to the Erewhon bag. My all-time favorite hummus. Your hummus should look like this. It should literally just have, this is raw sprouted organic garbanzo beans, water, raw organic lemon juice, organic raw tahini, organic garlic, sea salt, extra virgin olive oil. You should have no seed oil in your hummus, and it should definitely be organic because non-organic chickpeas have a ton of pesticides on them. So make sure you're getting organic. Meet the Source Cookie Dough Bliss Ball. The best raw cinnamon rolls ever. Gosh, I love simple and good ingredients. Ari loves these, so I got him some raw raspberry chocolate cups. Of course, refined sugar-free, vegan, all the things. This is where I got my birthday cake, by the way, Giselle's. The best miso dressing in the entire universe by Dave's Korean Food. We've got 2. Got another one of the cookie dough bites. Something spilled in my bag. Oh my gosh, the best vegan cheese ever. It's a Camblue cheese. Another cinnamon roll. Seed crackers. Seeds are so good for you. These are sunflower, sesame, flax, pumpkin, chia, and hemp. Lots of good, healthy fats. It's really filling, good for your skin. The best coconut cream I've ever had in my entire life. Just one ingredient, coconut cream. And then some bottles of water. I'm gonna eat. Thank you guys for even caring about my stupid little adventures in my little days. I don't know, I love to share health tips and stuff with you, and I hope that it helps. I never want to shame anyone for eating the way that they want to eat. I literally used to drink so many Dr. Peppers every day, eat hot dogs filled with cheese, dip my barbecue flavored chips in mustard and ketchup mix, eat deep fried chicken with a pecan butter brown sugar sauce with mashed potatoes, like 2 sticks of butter. I eat like really not healthy for most of my life. So no shame, no judgment. You do what works for you. I know food is expensive when it's healthy, but there are ways that you can, you know, eat healthy. You can get frozen organic veggies, frozen organic fruit, getting high quality meat, and even organic potatoes are cheap. You can just find like the most affordable veggies that work for you. Make it fun, you know, get in the kitchen and recipe test and just have fun with it. That's what I do. I had so many health issues my entire life. I was so tired of feeling awful. And the only thing that made a difference was taking care of my body with what I ate and a lot of other things, but mostly with what I'm eating. I hope that helps someone. I'm gonna eat, relax, and then I'll see you maybe later or tomorrow morning. So much love to you guys. I'm gonna eat my food. I'm gonna eat my food. If people say you're weird, just be weird. Just be you. Who cares? Just have fun. Like, life is too short. Take yourself seriously. Okay? Yes, this is the same sweater from my last video. It's meshki. Love it. Actually, it's not my favorite material. I take that back. But good morning, guys. I just picked up my breakfast from Erewhon. I got a breakfast burrito, but instead of the steak this time, I got some tempeh, some avocado, breakfast potatoes, a gluten-free tortilla, of course. I need to go get gas and then return my rental car, and then we fly to Charlotte. It's like a 4-hour flight, and then we fly back to Dallas. We're done. It's a quick 2-day, but I hope you've enjoyed this video. I'm gonna add in my Manuka honey, the 850 MGO. I just learned that the MGO, the number is the amount of antibacterial properties in the Manuka honey, which I think is crazy. It's medicinal. I'm gonna add it to my matcha. I got half almond, half coconut. I'm gonna be extra this morning. I'm gonna add in some of this coconut whipped cream. I'm gonna go get some gas, eat my breakfast, and then get back to the airport. Hope you're doing well. Thank you so much for your kindness, your love, your support. I'm sorry I haven't been super consistent. As for many of you, life has just been super busy, fast-paced, and I can't keep up, to be honest. I thrive really well in more slow-paced environments, which is crazy because that's the opposite of my lifestyle. That's just why I haven't been really consistent. I do see you and I appreciate you, and I'm so thankful that you watch. But let me get some caffeine in my body and get to the airport. I will see you later.